Center the field so edge tiles stay full and consistent instead of leaving awkward skinny wedges at the room perimeter. Begin by measuring the room width and length in multiple places and choose the longest consistent dimension as your starting reference. Snap intersecting chalk lines at the center of the room aligned with your tile grid so you can lay out a balanced field in 4 quadrants. Dry lay a row of tiles from that center line toward each wall to see how many full tiles fit and how large the final cut will be. If the cut at any wall would be narrower than half a tile, adjust the center lines by shifting them an equal amount to one side until edge cuts are at least half a tile wide. When working with patterned or rectified tiles, keep grout joint widths consistent during the dry lay and mark tiles that need to be flipped so patterns match at seams. For rooms that are not perfectly square, measure diagonals and use a square layout technique or start from the most visible doorway so the visual focus has full tiles. Always account for fixed obstacles like cabinets, thresholds, and floor drains by measuring and including those cuts in your mock layout before you mix mortar. 3 common mistakes are starting from a wall without checking overall balance, ignoring grout joint width when calculating edge cuts, and failing to dry fit tiles around obstacles. If you start at a wall, you will often end up with a thin sliver at the opposite side, so instead establish and snap center lines and dry lay to verify balance. If you ignore grout joints, you will miscalculate tile counts and edge sizes, so include consistent joint width in every measurement and mark it on your layout. If you skip dry fitting around cabinets, tubs, or door thresholds, you will discover awkward cuts during setting, so measure and cut those special pieces first, and keep a notated mock-up to follow during installation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows real project examples, so we help you find professionals familiar with precise tile layout techniques. We also host a discussion community where our members exchange layout photos, measurements, and tips so both homeowners and contractors can learn and find work.